Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Harley-Davidson. First, familiarize yourself with the controls. The clutch lever is on the left handlebar, and the front brake is on the right. Your left foot operates the gear shifter, while your right foot manages the rear brake. Knowing these essential components is your first step to a smooth ride. Let's get started with the basics of operation. Once you're seated, turn the ignition to on and ensure the kill switch is in the run position. Pull the clutch lever all the way in with your left hand. Then, press the start button to bring the engine to life. To get moving, firmly press down on the left foot shifter to engage first gear. Remember, it's 1 down, 4 or 5 up for the remaining gears. Achieving a smooth start requires coordination. Slowly release the clutch lever while gently rolling on the throttle. This balance prevents stalling and ensures a steady takeoff. When it's time to stop, use both brakes. Apply about 70% of your braking power to the front brake and the remaining 30% to the rear for optimal control and stability. Cornering smoothly is key to confident riding. Look where you want to go, through the turn, and the bike will naturally follow. Lean with your Harley, allowing it to tilt into the curve. Practice these techniques in a safe, open space. Always prioritize safety by wearing a helmet, gloves, and protective clothing on every single ride. Enjoy the open road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.